I attended a number of meetings of the steering group. The people coming together in a spirit of openness, bringing their knowledge of the processes, and led by the BSI process, which is really, really thorough. The way that the ideas come forward are tested, articulated in writing and then tested again, it's really helped us produce what I think will be a very useful product.
The working group took that forward and made this particular recommendation that we should have a really clear statement of what good practice looked like. That recommendation was made in January 2017, and we have now acted quickly under the leadership of British Standards Institute, working with all the professionals to get this publicly available standard into the market. It's there, and we hope that businesses and regulators will work together to really make a difference.
Part 1 of the Code of Practice sets out how to prepare for and then get ready for incidents should they occur. My experience is that many businesses, including some large businesses, really have not got that readiness, and when something happens they panic a little bit about what they're supposed to be doing.
It's important to have good lines of communication between a business and their local market surveillance authority, and ideally that the market surveillance authority understands the product safety incident plan that has been put in place. The Code of Practice provides clear guidance on how to develop that plan. Part 2 of the Product Safety Code of Practice is focused on market surveillance authorities and the assistance that they can provide to businesses. And whilst that part of the code is focused on market surveillance authorities, it's really helpful that businesses are able to see that part of the code is transparent, because it helps businesses who might not otherwise know that assistance and support is available to them.
Having a code of practice, it brings consistency in approach, both from retailers and from market surveillance authorities. I think as a retailer, what you're looking for is a level playing field and a consistency that's going to be applied across all of businesses.
It was great to see real commitment from regulators and business working together to solve this particular problem, recognising that it was a problem and at the same time doing so. And I think at the end of this, what we're going to have is a system and a code of practice that really helps protect consumers, which is the ultimate aim.
I think it's easy to sit here and think about this as just another British standard coming out. And actually, if you're at that end of it, I can see why people think that. But you've got to remember where this came from. This came from a response to some real tragic incidents in the UK where consumers lost their lives. This document has been designed by the best of industry, by the best of consumer, by the best of regulators. So it's proper guidance, and experts have come together to give best practice. So it's really important that businesses and regulators pay heed to this guidance.